Hello, my name is Kurt Gillespie. I'm the general manager of the Swain Meter Company, located in Mount Pleasant, Michigan. I'm here today to describe our product, the Swainstick. The Swainstick is utilized for a vacuum excavation hole when a pipeline may be located 6, 8, 10 feet below ground level. You can vacuum excavate a hole down to the pipeline, exposing minimum area around the pipeline, and still get the Swain meter down there and measure the current, direction, and magnitude of current on that pipeline. So I've got this laid out here on the table. I will show you how it can be used in its handheld form, as well as add extensions onto it, and then of course adjusting everything in so that it works properly. Here on the table at this time, we have the Swainstick in its base form that can be utilized by hand. You can open this up. This particular unit that's been built has got a 4-inch clamp on the end of it. So we have about a 4 1/4 to 4 3/8 opening, a 4 1/4 inch ID. This could be utilized for pipelines up to 3 inches. Closing the handle, then you get your closed motion here. Okay? What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take apart the actuation rod and the actuator on the end, and we're going to add an extension to this and then show plugging in the cable and the meter. Tools required: we have a 3/8 end wrench and a 7/16 end wrench. This detail is tied together with 5/16 wing nuts. Go ahead and bring that up close over here onto this side. So here's our actuation detail. Okay? This particular detail will always be attached onto the very end of the entire assembly. Electrical connection for the Swain meter is inside of this tube. So every extension that is added on to this item as color coded makes the continuous electrical connection. do is bring the actuator down here to the end. At this point, if you wish to measure a pipeline that is 10 or 11 feet below ground level, you may want to add your third extension or your second extension, bringing all three of them together at the same time. Okay, all in all, this would end up 12 plus feet in total length. For this particular demonstration, I'm going to leave out the last extension. Nuts. So it's very important at this time. This is fully closed position, but if you notice down here, the sensor is not quite closed. So the goal here is to adjust this rod down here at this end to make it possible to fully close the sensor . There would be our open position, and here would be our closed position. So once I have this adjustment proper, then I want to tighten up all the nuts associated with this connection. And there we have. This is a Swainstick in its manual handheld operation, then with one extension and the actuator on the end. Here again, good to go for vacuum excavation holes down to a pipeline approximately 10 foot below ground level. Next, I'm going to show connecting the cable to the meter. The electrical connection for this is tucked right inside of this block. Then be brought down and connected to your Swain meter. Again, my name is Kurt Gillespie, General Manager of the Swain Meter Company. I hope that you found this video informative on putting this Swainstick together. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.